then basic understanding on the MTF orders and the derivative order, and the last thing is on the HDFC research. Okay, for benefit of all, I will speak both in Hindi and English. So let us start. The first thing is for the main thing, which is the your account setup. For account setup, first, if you are actively trading into the derivatives, अगर आप derivative में trade करते हो, then you have to activate the derivative privilege. अगर आपका account opening के time पे नहीं हुआ तो, now how to activate this derivative privilege? Once you log in your mobile app, I will show you online also. मैं आपको online भी दिखाऊंगा entire process. But once आप mobile app login करोगे, on the right hand side there is a hamburger menu. Once you click on this hamburger menu, you can view this privileges. तो जहाँ पे आपको FO privilege and currency privilege दिखेगा, you have to click on the FNO privilege. Once you click on the FNO privilege, so you have to accept the terms and condition, and then after you will move to the this page, the last one, from where अगर आपका account aggregator के through हो रहा है, which means there are 17 banks which are currently available for the account aggregator, then you no need to upload the bank statement. The bank statement will be automatically fetched from your bank account, and your segment will be activated within a 2 working days. अगर आपका account aggregator में list of bank में अगर आपका बैंक नहीं है, then you have to manually upload the documents, and once you successfully update, after the OTP verification, your request will be received, and वो आपका derivative segment privilege within a 2 working days आपका activate हो जाएगा. The same way for your MTF orders, you have to activate the DDPI. Okay, now let's understand what is the DDPI. Okay, so DDPI is basically a demat debit and the pledge instruction. तो पहले क्या होता था कि जब भी कोई भी क्लाइंट ट्रेड करता था, then the broker has to submit this delivery to the exchange. Whenever you are selling any script, अगर आप जो भी script sell करते हो, then broker need to deliver this script into the exchange. So earlier there is a POA mechanism is there. If your PO is enabled, then broker can transfer the shares to the exchange as and when you are selling the script. But now there is a DDPI mechanism is there. तो जब भी आप स्टॉक सेल करते हो, अगर आपका DDPI एक्टिवेट नहीं है, then you need to follow the CDSL EDS process. जहाँ पे आपको जब भी स्क्रिप्ट सेल करते हो तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ऑथोराइज. तो CDSL का TPIN is there, and then after the OTP is there. Once you submitted on every day, then your request will be received. Then after you can sell the security. But अगर आपका DDPI एक्टिवेट है, then you no need to follow the process on the daily basis. You can easily share your share on immediate basis. So this is the first benefit of this DDPI. Second is अगर आपको MTF में ट्रेड करना है, now which is a margin trading facility, I will explain what is the MTF. Then this facility will be enabled if your DDPI is activated. And last thing, if you want to purchase any share basis on your on holding, अगर आपके पास कोई पुराना होल्डिंग पड़ा हुआ है, on basis of that अगर आप कोई additional stock purchase करना चाहते हो, then you can pledge this share, and on basis of this pledge share you can buy the additional share. So this is the third benefit. And the fourth benefit for the HDFC, अगर आपका HDFC बैंक में account है, then you no need to transfer the fund every time. The fund will be automatically fetched from the bank account as and when if you want to place any order. तो अगर आप लेट से कोई भी शेयर परचेस करना चाहते हो, लेट से 1 लाख रुपीस का, तो यू नो नीड टू ट्रांसफर द फंड. योर फंड विल बी डायरेक्टली फेच फ्रॉम द HDFC बैंक. So these are the 3 benefits of the DDPI. Okay, we are not charging anything for the DDPI activation. Now the DDPI activation होगा कैसे? अगर आपका नया अकाउंट है, तो जैसे ही अकाउंट ओपन होता है, विद इन 2 वर्किंग डेज यू विल गेट द 1 मेल फ्रॉम द eDDPI. आपको एक मेल आया होगा from where you have to authenticate through your Aadhaar OTP. Once you submit the OTP, then your request will be received. अगर आपको मेल नहीं आया, then you have to mark a mail on customercare@hdfcsec.com. आप मेल करोगे with your trading ID and mobile number and email ID. You will receive the link. You have to just authenticate this link with Aadhaar OTP. Then your request will be received and within a 2 working days आपका DDPI will be enabled. Now, first thing I update about the now what is the MTF. I give you the basic understanding of the MTF. Once your DDPI is activated, then this MTF facility will be also enabled. Now, what is the MTF? Let's say if you want to purchase any share and if you have a fund of rupees 1 lakh, अगर आपके अकाउंट में 1 लाख रुपए पड़े हैं and if you want to purchase any share, so on 1 lakh you are able to purchase only the shares of rupees 1 lakh. But the same order if you place on the MTF, you can leverage the position and you can buy the share up to 4 times. 1 लाख के सामने आप 4 लाख तक का स्टॉक बाय कर सकते हो. This limit is based on script to script, but if any frontline and good script, fortune and the bleacher script, then the roughly the leverage is up to 4 times. तो आप 1 लाख के सामने 4 लाख का स्टॉक बाय कर सकते हो. जो भी ये 3 लाख है, this is funded by the HDFC securities. Now आपने 1 लाख के सामने 4 लाख का स्टॉक ले लिया. Now you can hold up to 275 days. आप 275 दिन तक ये पोजीशन होल्ड कर सकते हो. जैसे मैंने बताया, यू कैन ऑल्सो एनहांस योर बाइंग पावर. आप 1 लाख के सामने 4 लाख का स्टॉक बाय कर सकते हो. ऑल्सो यू कैन प्लेज योर एग्जिस्टिंग स्टॉक्स एज वेल. अगर आपके पास कोई भी पुराना होल्डिंग पड़ा हुआ है, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन प्लेज and on basis of that you can purchase the additional shares. Third thing is the opportunity for higher return. Yes, if you buy a 1 lakh share and the same if you buy the 4 lakh share, there is a by default the higher opportunity for the higher returns. Okay, the flexible repayment, which means अगर आपने 1 लाख के सामने 4 लाख का स्टॉक लिया तो this 3 lakh on which the interest will be charged. But अगर आप पे करना चाहते हो तो in any given point of time you can convert your share from MTF to delivery. You can pay the remaining balance and you can convert your share. So there is a flexibility of the repayment, and for that MTF we are charging 18% interest, which is 1.5%. अगर आप 1 लाख पे पर डे देखना चाहोगे तो which is roughly 50 rupees is the interest rate. एक एग्जांपल के तौर पे समझते हैं. लेट्स से इफ आई वांट टू बाय आईटीसी शेयर्स, मेरे को 100 क्वांटिटी लेना है. लेट्स से आईटीसी का रेट इज 486.70 रुपीज. अगर मैं कैश सेगमेंट में डिलीवरी के तौर पे बाय करता हूं, देन आई हैव टू पे एंटायर 48,670. बट इफ आई प्लेस द सेम ऑर्डर इनटू एमटीएफ, then I have to pay only 13,670. Rest 35,000 will be funded by the HDFC securities. तो ये 35,000 पे मेरा इंटरेस्ट चार्ज होगा. Okay, so this is the basic one example, live example of this MTF. Now जब भी आप MTF पे ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हो, then there are certain steps which you need to follow. You have to select the E margin. While placing any order, you have to select the E margin product type, and once you purchase the share, so you will get the one pledge link on the T+2. सेकेंड डे पे on T+2 ट्रेड डे +2 डे पे आपको एक लिंक आएगा फ्रॉम द CDSL. अगर आपका अकाउंट CDSL में है, अगर आपका NSDL में है तो यू विल गेट द लिंक फ्रॉम NSDL. ऑल्सो यू विल कैन वॉच इन-ऐप नोटिफिकेशन ऑल्सो आपका what is the pledge request and where you have to pledge. Okay, so from that you have to authenticate your transaction to MTF via OTP. आपको ये MTF pledge is required. Okay, तो ये T+2 पे रात को 9 बजे तक आप प्लेज कर सकते हो. Once you done this, then your order will be marked as a MTF order. अगर आप ये करना भूल जाते हो तो on T+3 days your position will be square up. So these are the certain prerequisite for the MTF order. Now I quickly move to the mobile app. So how the entire trade and entire mobile app journey I will show you. Let me share my mobile screen. So first you have to download the mobile app from the App Store or a Play Store, which is Invest Right. Once you click, then the first time you have to enter your bank customer ID. From that you can log in. Once you log in, so this is the basically first dashboard. Okay, so first I will show you the entire profile section. On the right hand side there is a hamburger menu. इधर से आप check कर सकते हो. While click on the photo, I can check my mobile, email, and all the basic detail regarding my POA and all. If I want to change any of my basic KYC detail, I can also edit the same. Okay, second option is a fund. Okay, either say you can add the fund, also you can withdraw the fund. But अगर आपका HDFC बैंक account है and the DDPI is enabled, then you no need to add the fund manually. The fund will be automatically fetched from your bank account while placing the order. और जो भी आप stock sell करोगे, then the fund will be auto payout also. The next section is the privileges. जो मैंने आपको बताया. If you want to activate your FNO privilege, you have to click like this. Once you click, you will be land on this page. You have to select your income range. आपको आपका income range select करना है. You have to select your bank. So whatever the bank you have to select, जो आपने initially KYC के टाइम पे दिया था, and you have to authenticate with your mobile OTP and the bank OTP. Then your statement will be fetched from the bank account and your derivative segment will be activated within a 2 working days. This is the first part. Second is a dashboard. I will take you to the entire dashboard. The first thing on the top, there is a index. तो जहाँ से आप index देख सकते हो, which is Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex and all. If I want to add more exchanges, I can also add the same. Also, there is a expiry is also mentioned. So कौन सा index का expiry कब है, that is also mentioned over there. Let's say I am a future and option trader. I can click on this. So directly I will be land on the option chain page and I can also place the order from the option chain. So this is a quick order placement for the futures and options client. नीचे के टाइप में दिखेगा which is your current holding. Once you click on the current holding, तो आप portfolio वाले पेज पे जाओगे. You can explore entire your portfolio, what all scripts are available and what is the latest PNL. सेकंड सेक्शन इज द डीमैट, जहां से आपका डीमैट होल्डिंग चेक कर सकते हो. एंड थर्ड सेक्शन इज द एमटीएफ. तो जो भी स्टॉक्स आपने एमटीएफ में लिया होगा, दैट आल्सो यू कैन चेक. ऑल्सो व्हाइल क्लिकिंग ऑन ए व्यू मोर, यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक फॉर बाइंग दिस एमटीएफ शेयर्स. आपने कितना पे किया है और एचडीएफसी सिक्योरिटीज ने कितना पे किया है, ताकि यू केम टू नो ऑन हाउ मच अमाउंट यू हैव टू पे द इंटरेस्ट. Again, come back to the on dashboard page. There is a spotlight section जहां से आपको दिखेगा what is this murat. So now the Diwali murat is there on the 1st November. So you can check our Diwali recommendations. Also there is a IPO. So you can directly click and apply the IPO as well. Then this entire Diwali basket is there. Then what is the Diwali recommendation for the mutual fund, that is also there. You can click and directly invest from this section. Also, what's on your mind? So there are the exclusive offering from the HDFC security. The first section is the IPO. So all the IPOs, all upcoming IPOs, all close IPO, even the IPO order book, you can check and you can also apply from this section. If I want to apply this Epcon's IPO, I have to click apply. I have to enter the number of lots, either UPI, I have to enter my UPI ID, or अगर आपका DDPI is enabled, then you have to click and directly the fund will be fetched from the your bank account and through ASBA, and your IPO order will be placed. Second is the basket investing. So all currently available baskets are available. So the first one is the Samvat 2081, which is a Diwali one. You can purchase the basket in a single click. So once I click on the basket, I can also check what all stocks are available on the baskets. So this is how you can check stock and weightage. You can explore all the stocks for this basket, and I can place the order. A single click order placement is there where all stocks are purchased on a single click. Then the mutual fund section is there. Okay, so all the mutual fund recommendations are available. You can also type and you can also enter whatever the funds you want, and you can place the order either through lump sum or a SIP. Then the section is the research. So research may once you enter on the bottom of the page is also there is a research. Okay. So these all are the research. The research are divided into three categories. First is equity, equity. Second is a derivative, and third is a mutual fund. So once I click on the equity, then I can check what all stocks are available for the fundamental, same way technical, and same way for the trading. I click on the MTF, you can also explore what all stocks are available for the MTF. The MTF tagging is also there if the stock is recommended into the MTF. And particularly for those stock, what are the logics? So once you click on the detail, that it is also target, stop loss, even the PDFs are also available for the fundamental. So you can check this report, why this stock is recommended. Same way, there is a derivative segment from where you can check all the futures calls, even the options calls, and you can place an order from here directly. Let me come back to again to the dashboard page. Then there is a MTF. So now entire MTF dashboard is available. You can check all the MTF positions, what are the fund available for the MTF, also the MTF authorization. If you missed the MTF authorization on the T+2 days, you can also explore in same way. Your authorization is pending. I have to authorize up to 8:30 by today EOD. Also, I can check my list of eligible stock. इधर से मैं check कर सकता हूँ what all stocks are available for the MTF and कितना funding मिलेगा, that also I can check. Second is the MTF calculator. Let's say I want to purchase ITC share, 100 quantity. So this will show the calculation. I have to pay only 13,557. Rest 34,862 will be paid by the HDFC security on which the interest will be debited, and I can place the order from here itself. Okay, so this is overall MTF dashboard. These are the superstar portfolios. Okay, so from here you can also explore the famous personality stock portfolios like Radha Krishna Damani, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Rekha Jhunjhunwala, and all. Also, there are institutional portfolios are available. Also, there are FIA portfolios are available. So you can also explore the same. Let's say मेरे को देखना है राकेश झुनझुनवाले के portfolio में क्या है. I can click and I can check what all holdings are available with the राकेश झुनझुनवाला. Okay, तो कौन से इंडस्ट्रीज में कितना फंड है, कितना स्टॉक्स है, what are the fresh entry, what are the fresh exits, on which stock the stake is increased, the stake is decreased, and also the list of holding. Okay, so you can also explore the superstar portfolios, what all stocks are available on the with the superstars. Also, there is a health insurance. So if you have any requirement regarding health insurance, can also explore the health insurance page as well. These are the latest equity recommendation, mutual fund recommendation. Also, you can check the market movers, which is top gainers, loser, and all things regarding the futures. There are top gainers, losers. On the option side, what are the options which are most active in terms of value or volume? These are the FII, DII activities. These are the block deals and the bulk deals that also you can explore. There are advanced screeners. There are more than 200 screeners are available, which you can explore. These are the investment ideas for the baskets, and these are the events. So what all events are there on daily basis? Let's say किसी का result है, किसी का dividend है, that also you can check it from here. And these are the top market news. So this is how the first dashboard. So each and all details which are required as a client or a user, so all details are available on the dashboard itself. Let me come to the my watchlist page. So these are the predefined watchlist. If you want to directly, let's say, want to check the technology stock, you can explore all the technology stocks. If you want to explore all automobile stock, you can also explore all the automobile stock. So these are the predefined watch list. So it will be easier for you to check the portfolios, just check the stocks. Same way Nifty 50, all the Nifty 50 stocks are available. These are the Diwali picks. The first one is a Diwali picks. Whatever the stock which are recommended from the HDFC securities, the list of Diwali picks are also available. Let me place one order. Let's say NTPC. So once I click on the NTPC, the entire details regarding this market depth, key statistics, the performance, even the SWOT analysis, their future prices, their option prices, all technical analysis, even the research call. If there is any research from the HDFC, then it will also displayed over here. All the news regarding this NTPC, bulk deal, block deal, all the events, upcoming events, analytics, financials, mutual fund holding who are holding this stock, and the company bio. All the details regarding the particular script, you can explore it from here itself. And if you want to purchase this share, then click buy. You have to select the exchange NSE or BSE. If you want to purchase a share into the delivery, then you have to select the cash. If you want to purchase a share into the intraday, then you have to select the intraday. And if you want to purchase a share into the MTF, which is our E margin, then you have to select the E margin. You can also check the margin also on the bottom of this page. Let's see, if I want to purchase this share into the MTF, then I have to pay 141.95 paisa. And if I want to purchase this share into the delivery, I can check. I have to pay entire 405 rupees. Let me place the order on MTF. I have to select NSE E margin, one quantity. Let's say if I hit the buy, yes, my order is done. The order is executed. From this order book, you can check your all the open orders, close order, GTD order, and stock ships order. All the positions which are the open positions, even the net positions for futures and options, as well as the stock, you can explore it from here. And all the mutual fund orders for the lump sum as well as the SIP, you can check it from here. The research section I already shown you. A portfolio section, from here you can check your portfolio from demat. Now if you want to pledge your share and want to take the additional leverage, अगर आपको additional leverage चाहिए and if you want to pledge your share, then you have to just click on the script and you have to mark the pledge, the number of quantity which you have to enter, and you have to just click on the hold. After the OTP, your share will be marked as a pledge, and on the pledge, you will can take the additional leverage. So this is how the entire mechanism works if you want to pledge your share and buy the additional shares. If you want to place a stock ship order, अगर आपको stock ships के अंदर order करना है, then on particular the stock you have to select on right hand side. There is a hamburger menu. You have to select the stock ship. You have to create a one basket, and you need to select either daily, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly number of quantity which you want to purchase. Then your stock ship will be created. So on every month, so it's just like a mutual fund SIP. On every month or every day, the particular number of the script which you have selected, it will be automatically purchased. The same way, there is a GTD order is there. You can also create a GTD order. Okay, so you can select if you want to buy any share on a particular rate. You can also place a GTD order as well. So this is how you can explore entire mobile app. Let me show you our research overall performance. So this is how you can check the research. All the ready-made research are currently available and it's automatically updated. Also, you will get notified for the sum of the research based on your trading behavior. Let me switch to my laptop screen. So this is overall research performance for the last financial year. So overall, if I talk about index future option, stock future and stock option, so roughly there is a 65 to 70% is a success rate. For the cash trading, which is 0 to 10 days call, total 445 calls are given. Out of that, 370 is positive and the 77 is a negative. The overall strike rate is 83%. Same way for the E margin, total 244 calls diye. Out of that, 185 is a positive and 59 is negative, which is roughly 75%. So you can also check our success ratio. This for this April, May, and June. This is the success ratio of the cash trading is 85%. Intraday strategy is 86%. For e-margin, there is a 65%. And let me take to the last topic, which is the manifest. Manifest, this is the second edition for the manifest. ये हमारा दूसरा edition है, which is basically Diwali things, where all the Diwali recommendations are published regarding the stock SIP, mutual fund, ETFs. Okay, so these are the recommendations for the Diwali. For this is a somewhat 2081 picks, which time horizon is up to next Diwali. You can check and also you can purchase those shares. Majorly all stocks are available on MTF as well. So these are the sum of recommendation. You can also explore the all the research from the mobile app on the dashboard. There is a Diwali recommendation spotlight section is there, from where even the Diwali watch list is also available, where this all stocks are available and you can purchase it from there itself. ये हमारे कुछ स्टॉक शिप्स के रिकमेंडेशन है on which you can create a stock ship either daily, monthly, weekly, fortnightly, basis of your wish. These are the some recommendation for the ETF. Since today is a Dhanteras, there is a HDFC Gold ETF recommendation is there, which is a Dhanteras special. Also, there is a HDFC Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, even the Nifty small cap ETFs, which are the recommended one. I'm done from my side. So if you have any questions, please share on this chat bot, even though on the Q&A panel. I will be happy to answer all the questions. I don't see MTF. अगर आपको MTF नहीं दिखता, then first you have to activate this your DDPI. DDPI activate करने के लिए you have to mark a mail on the customer care @hdfcsec.com regarding your DDPI, eDDPI request. You will get the one link. From this link, you can activate, you have to authenticate with your Aadhaar and you can activate your DDPI. Then after you can able to view this MTF, and while placing the order, you have to select the exchange, which is NSE or BSE, and for product type, you have to select the E margin. I see a lot of options on your dashboard. I see just the market information. So for dashboard, sir, also you can customize the dashboard. On the profile section, under the dashboard option, you can customize the thing also. There is a two option, dynamic dashboard and the default dashboard. You can select, and what all things are required, you can select those things on the dashboard. So only this information are available on the dashboard. I am not able to place MF order. Say MF are disabled for non-POA members. Yes, for MF orders, sir, you have to activate your POA, which is a DDPI. So you have to mark a mail on the customer care @hdfcsec.com. Once your POA is activated, you can place the order on the mutual fund as well. Is there any manual on how to use the mobile app? Yes, sir. On YouTube, the section is available regarding this. You can also explore the YouTube regarding InvestRight app demo. What is the derivative, which is regarding the futures and options? If you want to place an order in on the futures and options, which is called it as a derivative. Any more questions? Is there any help feature on the app to know the definition or description of terms used like MTF? As of now, sir, this help feature is not available, but for MTF, yes, the MTF different section is out there where all the video description blocks, everything is there regarding this MTF. How do I find out the name of my RM? So these are in the process. From after the once the new update will be there, you can also check your RM name and mobile number as well. MTF is holding for a long time. Yes, sir, you can carry your MTF position up to 275 days. आप 275 दिन तक पोजीशन कैरी कर सकते हो, but during that period, in between, if you want to pay the fund and if you want to convert the share into the delivery, that option is also available. How stock quantity will be calculated by the SIP by paying a certain amount? Yes, you can sir select either the amount or the number of shares which you want to purchase. There is a both option is there regarding the amount. Then the quantity will be uh, purchased as per your amount, or either you have to select the quantity. Let's say 5 share or 10 share. This quantity will be purchased. I mean, can I pay into the day or two also? Yes, sir. You can pay on the MTF section. There is an option which is a convert to delivery. You have to select this option and the number of shares which you want to convert. आपको वहाँ पे वो quantity enter करना है and you have to submit. Then this fund will be held from your bank account and the share will be converted from MTF to delivery. No, sir, in terms of decimal is not possible. It is on nearer term. Let's say if you want to purchase a share of let's say rupees 1000 and the share price is let's say 250 or share price is let's say 225, then the four quantity will be purchased. The nearer amount will be purchased. Can we create a stop loss in equity stocks? Yes, sir, you can create. So for stop loss, you have to select a SL order. In product type, let's say segment is NSE and the product type is SL. You have to select the SL where you have to enter your price, the trigger price, price and the trigger price. Now, what is the price and trigger price? Let's say if you purchase a share in on the 100 rupees and you want to place the stop loss order at the 96. Okay, then you have to let's say your stop loss order price is 96 and for the trigger price you have to select 96.5 or 97. On that price your order will be triggered to the exchange and when the price comes to 96 then your order will be executed. So for stop loss order, you have to enter a price on which you want to place the stop loss and the trigger price on the price at which this order will go to the exchange. So this is how you can place the MTF. This is how you can place the order into the stop loss. For MFSIP, the MTF feature is available in case of in a fund. No, sir. For this MTF facility is only and only available for the equity cash. This is not available for the mutual fund or even for the derivatives. Any more questions? So thank you all for your participation. Wish you all again a very happy Dhanteras. Me, Nirmit Shah, will signing off. Thank you.